How to change your profile picture on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the two best methods to change your YouTube profile picture. Make sure to watch this video till end as both methods work for both Android and iOS devices. Let's get started with the first method. Open YouTube on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your current profile picture at the bottom. Ensure that you are on correct channel where you want to change the profile picture. If not, tap on the switch account option to easily switch between channels. Once you are on the correct channel, tap on your channel name. You will land on your official YouTube channel page. As you can see, my current channel profile picture looks like this. Now let's change it. Tap on the pencil icon. You will be directed to the channel settings page. To change your profile picture, tap on the circle with the camera icon at the top. You will be redirected to the image selection tab. Select the image or logo that best describes your channel. Once selected, you can crop or rotate the image if required. After making necessary changes, select Save as Profile Picture. And just like that, you have successfully changed your profile picture with first method. As you can see, our profile picture is updated. Let's jump into the second method. For this method, you will need to have YouTube Studio installed on your device. It's the official app for managing your YouTube channel. If you have not downloaded it yet, then download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once downloaded, launch YouTube Studio app. You will land on your channel dashboard. Ensure you are on the correct channel. If not, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top. Right here, you can see the option for switch account. Tap on this option and you could easily switch between channels. Once on the correct channel, tap on the pencil icon beside the channel name. To change your profile picture, tap on the circle with the camera icon. As shown in the first method, select the image or logo that best describes your channel. Once selected, you can crop or rotate the image if required. After making necessary changes, select Save as Profile Picture. And just like that, you have updated your profile picture with the second method as well. As you can see, our updated profile picture looks like this. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two best methods to change your YouTube profile picture. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.